This is the TaskWork AI WhatsApp chatbot system. Simply click on it to explore its features and functions. Here, you will find the chatbot settings and configuration options. You can customize the greeting or welcome message by clicking here. You can select the AI's tone of voice from this drop-down menu, define the goals you want the chatbot to achieve, add your frequently asked questions, and upload business documents, FAQs, or other content for the AI to learn from. You can also add your lead qualification questions here. All customer conversations are automatically stored and organized within the system. You can view conversation details, lead information, and customer data in a structured database. The information can be displayed in gallery view, table view, or chart view, making it easy to manage and analyze your customer interactions. Now let's test the chatbot and see how it performs. I will be sending messages from a different account so we can experience the chatbot from a customer's perspective. Let's start with a simple message. Hello. After a few seconds, the chatbot responds with a welcome message based entirely on the instructions and settings we previously configured. Now, let's continue the conversation and ask a few questions to evaluate the chatbot's performance. I'll type, "What services do you offer?" We send the message and wait for the response. As you can see, the chatbot provides a clear and professional answer. The AI understands the question and responds intelligently based on the information it has been trained on. Next, let's ask, "I'm interested in your social media content generator and publisher. How does it work and how can I get started?" Let's wait for the response. As you can see, the chatbot is communicating exactly as instructed. It not only provides useful information, but also asks follow-up questions to qualify the lead and better understand the customer's needs. Excellent. Let's continue the conversation. I'll type, "All right, great. How can I contact your team and where is your business located?" And as you can see, the chatbot responds with the appropriate contact information and business address. At this point, we'll end the conversation. As demonstrated, anyone can interact with the chatbot at any time, and the chatbot is fully equipped to gather customer information and lead details throughout the conversation. It can also automatically send booking links, payment links, consultation forms, or any other resources you would like it to provide on behalf of your business. This is how the TaskWork AI WhatsApp chatbot can operate as a virtual assistant for your business, communicating with customers, qualifying leads, and helping drive sales even when you're unavailable. If you would like us to show you how we designed the back-end workflow and automation, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If we receive enough requests, we will create a detailed tutorial showing exactly how we built the automation using Make.com and structured the Notion database. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you automate your business with TaskWork AI.